My name's Rosanna and I run leather workshops, and I thought during these crazy times when we've all got a lot more time at home that I'd share with you a little tutorial I've done on how to make some leather drop earrings like these. Hope you enjoy it. So these are the earrings we're going to make. As you can see, they're made up of 3 pieces of leather, a top piece, a middle piece and a bottom piece. So you'll need a ruler like this, a cutting mat, a scalpel or sharp knife, a marker pen, pliers, preferably 2 pairs to close up the jump hoops, a rotary hole puncher like this one. Then you'll need some templates for the earrings. You'll find a link at the end for my templates here. Some leather, some earring hooks like these ones. You can take some off an old pair of earrings that you don't wear anymore if you don't have any spare. Then some jump hoops, some large ones, and then 2 smaller ones to connect the hooks to the jump hoops. So let's get started. So I'm going to clear some space. There we go. I'm going to start off with the large piece at the back with this red burgundy. So I'm going to mark on the back of the leather with the pen, and then move on to the gold. So it's always nice to use something lighter or metallic in the middle, I find, of the earrings, just to break up the pattern. And then I'm going to use this green for the top, just enough here to get 2 pieces from. So mark around those 2 as well. So you'll see I've marked around each piece and marked where the holes are going to go in the top. There we are. So I'm going to cut these out with the scalpel and the ruler. You'll need a sharp blade, just be careful when using it not to cut your hands. And here we go. So I'm going to start with the big pieces at the back and just go round carefully cutting out with the ruler. So I've got the 2 burgundy pieces already done. I'll move on to the gold and cut those pieces out. There we go, 2 gold pieces, and then I'm going to finish off with the 2 green smallest pieces at the top, and there we go. So now I've got large burgundy, the gold and the green. So I'm putting them together to see that they fit okay. You can see the gold is slightly wide, so I'm going to trim that down so they all match up perfectly. So I'm just trimming that down now, just carefully with the scalpel. So there we go, all trimmed and matching up nicely. I'm going to punch out the holes with my rotary hole punch on the smallest setting, which in this case is about 1.5 mm, but if you just got a compass then that's fine, as long as your jump hoops fit through. There we go, they're all done now. So I can put all the pieces together, make sure they line up, and then get the jump hoops and the hooks. So I'm going to start by opening up the larger jump hoops with the pliers so that I can feed the leather through. This can be quite fiddly because they are quite small and quite stiff. So now what I'm going to do is take the top piece and feed that onto the jump ring like this, then the second, and then the third, and then close it up with the pliers. So this is where 2 pairs of pliers are quite handy, because you can hold one side with one pair and close it up with the other. There we go. So now I'm going to get the hook and join that on with the smaller jump hoop, which is even harder to open because of its size, very small. And so feed that onto the other jump hoop on the earring, and then the hook goes onto there. A bit tricky to see here, I went out of shot, but I hope you get the idea. So you close that up with the pliers, making sure there's no gaps at all. Again, quite fiddly work, but you get there eventually with 2 pairs of pliers. And there we have it. Give it a good shake to hang out all the pieces, and then the other one's done as well. There we go. A lovely pair of contemporary leather earrings, perfect for day or night. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and here's the link to the templates.